Hey guys, welcome to Designer's Cave. In this lesson, we will learn how to make a 3D text effect. So, first we will take our artboard. The size of the artboard will be 4000 pixels by 3000 pixels. Then create a rectangle 4000 by 3000 pixels. I just lock the rectangle, then select the type tool and type something. Now click on the text layer and convert it to a smart object. Double click on the text layer and one window will pop up, and then just select the text and delete it and type anything you want. Now in the upper left side, click on image, then canvas size, then change the size to 4000 by 3000 pixel. Now just select the text and make it bigger. Now press enter and save the text. After saving the text, close the window and go to the previous window. Now click on the action. After that, we will create a new set named text effect. Then we will create a new action called I just named the action 1 pixel down and 1 pixel right, because the new layer will be 1 pixel down and 1 pixel right to the main text layer. Now copy the text layer and put the copied layer down to the previous layer. After that, just zoom the text so that we can see the pixels. After that, press the down arrow and one time and the right arrow one time. After that, pause the action. Now play the action several times. You can take 25 to 30 or 35 text layers. It will be better. It depends upon font style. After that, we'll select the first layer, double click on the layer and blending options will pop up, and just color overlay. I put white color. After that, bevel and emboss, click on it and you will see there are some settings for bevel and emboss: depth, size, soften level. So you can change all the levels and choose the style you want. It depends upon your choice. If you increase the soften level, it will be more softer, and if you decrease it, then it will look like this. The depth will be better between 700 to 800. I prefer the size 18. I prefer 12 for the soften level. After that, hit OK. Now click on the next text layer. After that, click on round and emboss. Selecting round and emboss, just change the levels. Depends upon your choice, so you can also change the angle. In my opinion, it will be better between 85 to 90 degree. I prefer 88 degree and then OK. I'll just copy the layer style and select the last layer style by pressing shift. After selecting all the layers, paste the layer style. You will see all the text layers have the same style. Now click on the first text layer and click on texture. After that, you will see some patterns. Just select any type of pattern you want. You will see there are two options, scale and depth. You just scale the patterns bigger or smaller depth. You can increase the depth size or decrease. Just put the perfect depth and the scale size so that it will look better. And also change the direction of the pattern. Now click OK. Now click on the last text layer, double click to open the blending options and click on drop shadow to give it a drop shadow. I just increase the opacity level. You can also change the angle of the shadow. Now just copy the layer style and paste it to the previous layer style. After that, we will make these two layers as a group and named it to drop shadow. Name the rectangle to background. For that, click on the layer and the second layer and make them a group. Name them 3D text effect. Also make the first layer as a group and name it to place your text here. So if we click on this smart object, then one will pop up, and then select the text and delete it and put anything you want. After typing your text, just save it and close the window and go to the previous window. You will see the text fully changed. It will take some time. So here's our text. It fully changed. Just put the previous text. Saving it, close it and go to the previous window, and you will see the text will be changed. I just put this text to show information about the text effect. So guys, you can make a text effect, a 3D text effect by this. So here's our tutorial. Thanks for watching.